Malia toi tepi Tonga'uiha. Contestant number 7, Miss Tika Island creation, is titled Koe Wala Tō Onga Ai Whiwhine Tonga. My most humble obeisance, allow me to travel back to ancient Tonga and ancient times and bring to life some of our ancestors' stories tonight. Her first appearance is made of one and only lokie pandana sleeves used weaving for our ta'ovala. As she reveals her first look, it took her to her second look, which is the Walato Onga display. This is a traditional Tongan ceremonial wedding gown with mats. My attire wishes to revive ancient knowledge of weaving from both Tonga and Samoa. This reflects back to the story of Sisi Mataela'a and his mother, Fai'aho, on the island of Felemea Ha'apai. One day, Sisi Mataela'a told his mother of his marrying the Tu'itonga's daughter, and so his mother told him to go to his father, the sun, and ask him for approval. While Sisi Mataela'a travelled, Fai'aho started to weave a ta'ovala mali. This mat was made from kie, a one-layer, one-sided weaving. The final waist mat was a kie tonga, which is believed to be the very first kie tonga. It is the top layer adornment, fungani, of the layers of mats worn by a Tongan woman on her wedding day. Kie tonga and ia konga is also the prime mat of our Samoan ainga. A Tongan bride wears 4 layers of mats, with their other ends being folded as wākai, and they hold up in a way known as loku loku, and she will be removing them one by one, starting from the top to the bottom layer. The top fungani is our kie tonga. The second layer is efu, made from kie, but with cross-hatch weaving. The third mat is called maopo. It is a finer version of the fihu. The bottom layer is a fihu made from kie and is woven double-sided. Now my dressing gown was woven from fai'aho, or hibiscus inner fibers. It is woven as an adaptation of the iesina of Samoa. The knowledge of iesina making has been lost in Samoa, and reviving it has been the aim of many weavers. My headpiece, a helu comb or hat, is made from feathers and inner strips of the coconut trees. This headpiece wishes to revive the idea of the helu palatavake, also known as aopau, still survived and kept in museums in Vienna and Spain, and also a golden cowrie shell to complete my look for you tonight. Malo Aupito, Miss Tika Creation 2025, Auckland, New Zealand. Your contestant number 7, Malia, Toitepi, Tonga'uiha. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to call